Nyadia metema ejeje omohokra because Wednesday kotoko ene akrasofo game we yenimu agudie because the bragging rights na very important see Euro League no wa obesha wo yonko last side be Euro League no very important so Kumasi Asante Kotoko training no echo so we day 6 and ohun the screen no so no the youth side of club ya Asante Kotoko and the senior side e blend this young boy. Hey, many aja my boy, the Oshe Bluey or Fred Kasari nchen, and or Kotoko or training. That's the future. That's how it's supposed to be. And no, and Utumfo say to Timura. I understand so what catch them for, especially with the youth team. And they say, oh man, and ni enko mono and crano and red JC no, and also all my baba ya tackle or hono. Now this youth team no on person we are na a stage bia they are going to be on say na dey oko Barcelona is Yamin Lama be a PF so oko Chelsea Reece James be a PF so sad no oko Atletico Bilbao as Nico Williams be a PF the same thing even though certain be a season so I see e be kwa big players elsewhere there the omabefra but the youth team at least players baako mienu bi miense bi those days kwadwo pokumo na omu free youth team no mo ba na chese kotoko no bi e konkan abranti utimu se club ya na fanat tender stage part at the early stage on the way we see a screen so no. Now you can see Yimako tenso na or jebo ato ho ewo ho no training no eguso ekoso den say Wednesday the across of for no ye be show mo na ye de awuram ewo DC understand say Emmanuel Ntwi na wo screen so no new Kotoko sign an offensive midfielder yes na or no then after Samba O'Neil yes the defender no was so obo eti say former Real Madrid captain Sergio Ramos sana waka yes but say Democracy Cup no be winning no one DC United in a cushion this game no yem fan agudie kura e game a ehia ye papa na Kotoko European tour no matse wan hwe be push akosha animu kakra because players na ya sensan omo no ebi mo passport ni ade enye ready enti sa se ye ntwamu de a na chese ye be push akosha animu eno ne information bi amete from grounds the besa ba chire on that bia no Super 24 TV ni de ya bad say Kotoko hub na chese ye de bebro Kotoko 360 ye de bebro enya to ho na fa Kotoko ho nko ade a ye de beba ewufia ma menchia me senior citizens a mo hwe channel yi nyina